we are going to create addition problems for the number 5. So the problems are all blank plus blank equals 5. For this activity, I'm going to need 2 colors. So I chose magenta and orange. And I'm going to start with one color. I'm going to start with magenta. And I'm going to put a 1 in the box. This is a 5 frame. There's 5 boxes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of my 5 frame with orange. And that will create the addition problem. So first, I'll go back with my magenta and I'll write how many magenta circles. So how many magenta circles? 1. And then let's go back and count the orange ones, and I'll switch to my orange marker. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put a 4 in the next blank. And now my problem is, and you can read it with me, 1 plus 4 equals 5. Now I already did 1 magenta, so now I'm going to go up to 2. And I'm going to put 2 magenta circles over here. And then fill in the rest of my 5 frame with orange. Let's count the magenta circles. 1, 2. So I'm going to put a 2 here in the first blank. And then let's count the orange circles. 1, 2, 3. So I'll put a 3 here in the next blank. And then read the addition problem with me. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. So I did 1 and then 2. So what do you think I'm going to do next for magenta? And do 3. And then I'll fill in the rest of my 5 frame with orange. And I can write my numbers in. So let's count the magenta. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a magenta 3 in. And then let's count the orange ones. 1, 2. So there were 2 orange. Let's read the addition problem together. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So I did 3. Now I'm going to go up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll fill in the rest of my 5 frame with orange. Okay. So let's see how many magenta ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put a magenta 4 there. And then let's count orange. 1. I'll put a 1 there. Let's read the problem together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So after 4, I'm going to do 5. So I'm going to do 5 magenta circles. Okay, and then it's filled in, so I don't have any orange to do. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magenta circles. I'm going to put this there. Now I'm going to switch to orange. How many orange circles are here? There's none. Well, what number represents nothing? Well, it's 0. So I'll put a 0 here in the next blank. Let's read the problem. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Now, there's one more 5 frame left. There are 6 ways to get to 5. So let's see. If you're not sure what problem might be left, you want to see if you switch the numbers. So like here we had 1 plus 4 to show me 1 plus 4. And then you can switch them to 4 plus 1. So I'm going to grab another marker. So these two go together. 1 plus 4 switches to 4 plus 1. And then over here I have 2 plus 3 equals 5. And if I switch them, it's 3 plus 2. So then these two are going to go together here. So those have been switched. Now, this is what has to be switched now. I had 5 plus 0. And now I need to switch it to 0 plus 5. So I'm going to take this 0, and that's going to come over here now. How many magenta circles are in that 5 frame? There's none. And you know that what number represents none? Well, 0. So there's my 0 for magenta. And then let's count the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put my 5 in here. Let's read the problem together. 0 plus 5 equals 5. And now we can see that we had 5 plus 0, and it switched to 0 plus 5. So these two problems go together, and we have all the ways to get to the number 5 for addition.